everyone. I am Neeraj Gudi from Aksharda Public School, Vijaypur. I am studying in grade 7th, subject mathematics.
Topic: Integers. Types of numbers: natural number, whole numbers, and integers. The examples of natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The examples of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The examples of integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The definition of integer is all natural numbers, 0 and negative of counting number are called as integers. 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Types of integers. There are two types of integers. They are positive integers, negative integers. The examples of positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The examples of negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Comparing of numbers. There are three parts of comparing numbers. They are smaller number, greater number, equal number. The examples of smaller number are 5 is smaller than 7. -6 is smaller than -4. The examples of greater number are 2 is greater than -9. -3 is greater than -4. The examples of equal number are 7 is equal to 7. +1 is equal to +1. Our next part is properties of addition. There are 5 parts in properties of addition. They are closure property, commutative law, associative law, existence of additive identity, existence of additive inverse. The example of closure property is 15 plus bracket minus 9 bracket close is equal to 6. The example of commutative law is bracket minus 5 bracket close plus bracket minus 8 bracket close is equal to bracket minus 8 bracket close plus bracket minus 5 bracket close. The example of associative law is flower bracket round bracket minus 6 round bracket close plus round bracket minus 8 round bracket close flower bracket close plus 5 is equal to round bracket minus 6 round bracket close plus flower bracket round bracket minus 8 round bracket plus 5 round bracket close flower bracket close. The example of existence of additive identity is 9 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. The example of existence of additive inverse is 5 plus bracket minus 5 bracket complete is equal to bracket minus 5 bracket close plus 5 is equal to 0. Our next part is properties of subtraction. There are 3 parts in properties of subtraction. They are closure property for subtraction. Subtraction of integers is not commutative. Subtraction of integer is not associative. The example of closure property for subtraction is -4 minus bracket minus 6 bracket close is equal to -4 plus 6 is equal to 2. Example for subtraction of integer is not commutative. Bracket minus 6 bracket close minus bracket minus 4 bracket close is not equal to bracket minus 4 bracket close minus bracket minus 6 bracket close. Subtraction of integer is not associative. The example of it is flower bracket 3 minus round bracket minus 4 round bracket close flower bracket close minus round bracket minus 5 round bracket close is not equal to 3 minus flower bracket round bracket minus 4 round bracket close minus round bracket minus 5 round bracket close flower bracket close. Properties of subtraction. In properties of properties of subtraction is over, so we will start properties of multiplication. In properties of multiplication, there are 7 parts. They are closure property, commutative law, associative law, distributive law of multiplication over addition, existence of multiplicative identity, existence of multiplication of universe, and last is property of zero. The example of closure property is bracket minus 8 bracket close into bracket minus 7 bracket close is equal to 56. The example of commutative law is bracket minus 9 bracket close into bracket minus 7 bracket close is equal to bracket minus 7 bracket close into bracket minus 9 bracket close. The example of associative law is flower bracket round bracket minus 8 round bracket close into round bracket minus 6 round bracket close flower bracket close into round bracket minus 5 round bracket close into is equal to round bracket minus 8 round bracket close into flower bracket round bracket minus 6 round bracket close into round bracket minus 5 round bracket close flower bracket close. Example for distributive law of multiplication over addition is 5 into flower bracket round bracket minus 6 round bracket close plus round bracket minus 8 round bracket close flower bracket close is equal to flower bracket 5 into round bracket minus 6 round bracket close flower bracket close plus flower bracket into 5 into round bracket minus 8 round bracket close flower bracket close. Existence of multiplicative identity. The example of existence of multiplicative identity is bracket 12 into 1 bracket close is equal to 12. The existence of multiplicative of inverse is 1 by a as a bracket 1 by a bracket close is equal to bracket 1 by a is equal to a is equal to 1. The last example is property of 0. 8 into 0 is equal to 0 into 8 is equal to 0. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
A very warm welcome to everyone. I am Tanmyee Koti of grade 7A here to explain about integers. I am going to explain about this integers mind map. What are integers? All the negative numbers and positive numbers along with the zero form integers. 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative, so it stands in between an integer number line. Positive integers. All positive counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and so on form positive integers. Negative integers. All negative counting numbers such as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on form negative integers. Integer number line. Here's what the integer number line looks like. 0 stands in between. Left to it are negative integers while right to it are positive integers. Addition and subtraction of integers. If the numbers have like signs, then you have to add them and keep the same sign. If the numbers have unlike signs, then you subtract them and keep the greater number sign. Take a look at a short video which will help us understand more about it.
We are going to learn about addition and subtraction of integers through the Monopoly board game. We rolled 4 and landed on space 4. Now we rolled 5 and landed on 9 space because 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. As we landed on a chance, we picked a chance card. It says move back 3 spaces. We moved back 3 spaces. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, which states that we are on 6th space.
Comparison of integers. To compare integers, we need to look at their signs. If the numbers have unlike signs, then you mark the one with the plus sign as greater than the other number. If the numbers have like signs and are negative, you mark the one with the smaller numerical value as greater than the other number regardless of their sign. If the signs are positive, then you mark the one with greater numerical value as greater than the other number. Take a look at some examples. Ordering of integers. We all have learnt about ascending and descending order. Ascending order, smaller to bigger. Descending order, bigger to smaller. Properties of integers. Properties of integers of addition. If closure property. A plus b is equal to c, which is also an integer. Commutative law. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Associative law. Bracket a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Bracket. Existence of additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. Any number plus 0 will be the number itself. Existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus a will be a. Properties of subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers is not commutative and associative. Closure property. A minus b is equal to d, which is also an integer. Properties of multiplication of integers. Closure property. A into b is equal to c, which is also an integer. Commutative law. A into b is equal to b into a. Associative law. Bracket a into b into c is equal to a into bracket b into c. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. A into b plus c can also be written as a into b plus a into c. Existence of multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. Any number multiplied by 1 will be the number itself. Existence of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a will be 1 by a. Property of 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0.
Thank you.